So I was able to get this finished, and as you can see, I added the black stuff that I was excited about. I did the one that I had up on the Google site was done with colored pencils and a highlighter for the background, and for the background for like the wall and stuff, that was just made out of a Cheerios box that I spray painted and took a wadded up napkin and I dabbed it on to get the purple kind of splatteries, and then took a mark. No, this was just colored pencil because I didn't know if the spray paint would ruin my Sharpie marker. So I just took the colored pencils and did it really dark to make it just kind of some extra graffiti stuff. But what I'm going to show you now is I decided I would try watercolors on this one to get kind of I'm hoping a really cool effect by blending the colors together. So I'm going to start with my lightest, and on the D I'm going to do a yellow. I'm going to start at the top with the yellow. And then what I wanted to do is I wanted to blend in orange to give it kind of a cool shadow effect. Yep, that works. Kind of like that. Add some orange down here. And then go back in with some yellow, and I'm gonna leave some of these spots white for kind of a cool highlight, but only the ones that I've outlined so that I know that they're white. Like it was meant to happen, not just, oh, I don't want to finish this, so I'm gonna say that I want it to be white, because that's cheating. And then let's move on to maybe kind of a red one. That would be kind of cool. And what's cool about the watercolor is after it dries, you could go back in with a Sharpie marker and you could add some designs to it, or even just like a regular Crayola marker would work, or even crayons would work with that. Okay, and for the red, I'm actually going to cheat. So I was using kind of this one, which is probably what a lot of you guys have. However, because I'm the art teacher, I've got this really cool thing, which has a really cool kind of pink color in it. There it is. Okay, actually that one might be red. Kind of a reddy pink color, so it just gives more of, just makes it look different and cool. And then let's go to green. So with the green, I'm going to start out with some yellow. And then I'm going to go on to kind of a bright green color. All right, so you see how that kind of makes it look really cool. And you can just play around and do the colors that you want. I still haven't really found a good purple. I guess it'll have to do. We'll mix it with some good blue. I'm just looking at some of the examples to find some different colors to use. Mix that with green. Well, that looks cool. All right, so you guys go ahead and work on yours. I'll finish this one up, and you can either cut it out and put it on one of the walls that you make out of a different piece of paper, or you could just leave it like it is and maybe stamp the background in with like wadded up paper towels or something and make it look like a wall, or do whatever you want to do to it. Okay, and go ahead, remember on the Google site there is a link on the home page where you can upload your own work. You can either take a picture of it or you can scan it in and upload a file, and then we can kind of see what everybody's doing. All right, we'll see you later, guys.